Hello everyone, I am Harsh. In last video we learned how to save and open file on application restart like Notepad++, and today we are going to learn how to get notification and auto reload files modified by other programs like Notepad++ in WPF application. So now without wasting the time, let's get started. To notify the UI when the file is changed from some other application, we have to use file system watcher class. So let's add the file system watcher inside the text editor view model. So here I will declare one variable of type file system watcher. Okay. Now using this we can notify our UI when the file is changed from other application. So for that first we have to register each UI. How to do that? So here this method will call when we navigate to the UI, right? So here we can register the event for the notification. Okay. Now here we will create object of this file type watcher equal to new file system watcher, and here I will say file.get directory. Okay, here we have to use path.get directory name, and here I will pass file path. Okay, and then here we have to set the filter equal to path.get file name. Okay, then we have to specify the notify filter. So here I will say notify filter dot last write, this one. Okay, after that we have to register the event which is dot change event, and I will register here on file changed. Okay, and then I will say file system dot enable rising event equal to true. Okay, now here I will generate the method. Okay, this method will call when the file is changed from some other application. Okay, so I want to show the message box like this file is changed from other application. Do you want to load that changed file content or not? Okay, so for that I will use message box dot show. Okay, and here I will say file has been modified from another application. Okay, do you want to reload it? Okay, this message I want to show. Okay, now let's run and see. Here we are getting exception because file path is null. So here first we will add the condition. Okay, now here I will add the if statement to check if this file path is not null or empty. Then only we will create the object and register the event. Okay, now let's run. Now this file I want to change from some other application like Notepad. Here I will say changed. Okay, and I will save it. If you go here, you will get this message, right? File has been modified from another application. Do you want to reload? If we click on OK, then it should update the content here, right? Okay, it's not updated because I have not added the logic for it. So let's add the logic. Here I will store this result. Okay, and here I will pass button dot yes no. Okay, first we have to pass the caption. I will say info. Okay, now I will check if result equal to message box result dot yes, then message box dot okay. If it is yes, then I will change the content, means I will update the content of the file. Okay, file content equal to file dot read all text and the file path. Okay, let's run. Now if you see here, this is the content. Now let's remove this, save it. You will get the notification here. You can see here. If you see now, I can click here. I don't want to enable this when this pop-up come. Okay, for now I will click on yes, and the content should update here. You can see content is updated. So now I am going to add the logic so that it should always show on top of the window. When the pop-up comes, then we will not able to click on our application. For that I will say application dot current dot main window and this. Okay, so it will open the pop-up on the current main window. Okay, now let's see. Now let's change something here. I will add some text here and save it. Now you can see the error. The calling thread can't access the object because different thread on it. Okay, so for that what I will do here I have to use application dot current dot dispatcher dot begin invoke. Okay, now I will move this code inside this. Now let's run and see. Now let's change from here. Okay, and save it. We'll get the pop-up here, but if we try to click here, we are not able to click here. Okay, means this pop-up is on top of this window. Okay, now let's click on yes. Now it's updated, right? Now let's go to this tab and now try to update from this thing, Notepad. So click on save. Then also we are getting this pop-up even we are not in the same tab. Okay, so here I want to get this pop-up whenever we are in the tab which content is changed. Okay, so for that what we have to do, let's see. For that, here inside this is active we have to add the logic, and here I will add one property of type boolean so that it will keep track of the file change equal to false. Okay, and here I will say boolean. Okay, now here I will check if file content is changed, then call on change event. Okay, and here we have to pass the file path. What is error here? So what I will do, I will move this to some other method. Okay, notify. Okay, and now I will call this method from here, like if file is changed then notify our UI. Okay, now this I will update here. Okay, so here I will update equal to false, because once we loaded the application, or this we can add inside this, means once we have updated the content. Okay, so it is false. Okay, and here also I will say if is active then notify, else equal to false equal to true. Okay, now let's run and see. First I will change here, click on save it and see the pop-up here, click on yes. Okay, now I will go here and again I will update this and save it. Now go to the UI, you can see there is no pop-up. Now let's go to this, you will get the pop-up. Now click on yes, it will update the file content. Okay, I hope you understand how to notify our application that this file is changed from other application. Okay, that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, let's share with your friends.